is a full body rolling drill, and the goal of this drill is to be as relaxed as possible, and we're trying to squeeze minimal muscles, create tension in very, very few spots. You want to imagine that your body is actually on Novocaine and you have no tension and you're just flowing. You're moving very slowly, and we're trying to create length in the body. So if you are reaching with your right leg, you're reaching your right leg away from the body and away from the right arm so that you get long from right hand all the way to right foot. And that reach and that tension is what's going to slowly roll you and peel you off the ground and flop you onto the other side. And then you're going to bring yourself back with the arm doing the same thing. You're going to reach long with the arm, and you're going to bring yourself back over, keeping your legs as limp and relaxed as possible, just creating length and almost dragging the lower half of your body on the way back. It looks just like this. So we're going to lay flat. You're going to put your arms overhead, keep them relaxed, and keep them kind of out of the way. You don't really want them at 90 degrees because you'll roll over on the arm like this. So let's go very high just in this position. And I'm going to show you my right side going over to my left side. So I'm going to take my right leg. I'm going to reach up and over. I'm going to relax the rest of my body. And I'm just going to slowly create some length in this right side. This leg is not just going to my right. It's going to my right and away from me. So I'm almost leading with the heel and driving the leg this way, creating some stretching in the hip socket and the lower core right here. So I'm reaching across just like this. And as I go over the top, I'm stretching, I'm reaching, I'm relaxed in the upper body, and I'm going all the way over just like this until I flop. Now, as I'm coming back, I'm going to reach with the right arm. I'm going to unshrug my shoulder, and I'm going to lead the roll with the arm, keeping my eyes on my hand the whole time, rolling all the way back, and then falling to the ground just like this. When you are rolling over, and you're kicking with the leg in this situation, you are going to exhale the whole time you're going across. So we're going to exhale, reach over the top, exhale, 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 flop. On the way back, you're going to inhale, 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 relax. A couple things to think about. Your leg is going long. You should feel reaching going through the leg, the hip, the side, maybe even the pec as you go over. Your legs reaching, which means your arms are limp. When you're on your way back, you're leading with your arm. Make sure that your shoulder's not up here. We want to unshrug the shoulder and reach the arm long so you feel some tension in the armpit with a little bit of rib cage muscle, so the serratus should be on, and maybe a little bit of rear delt and rotator cuff. And we're going to use those muscles alone to pull the body back to the other side. That's how it's done, guys. Very nice, I like.